Welcome to section 3 in activity 34. This will be your third lesson in the week for this activity, and we're still using 6 as a whole. In section 3, we're going to record the two-part bonds of 6 that are related using the commutative property of addition below. I will do it first. You don't need to point as you write them. I'm just pointing to help make it clearer for the video. So the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 0 and 6 bonded together, and the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 6 and 0 bonded together. This next row, the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 1 and 5 bonded together, and the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 5 and 1 bonded together. This next row, the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 2 and 4 bonded together, and the whole of 6 is also equal to the parts of 4 and 2 bonded together. The whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 3 and 3 bonded or joined together. Because we know the commutative property of addition and we can change the order of the parts, I can cross off these two-part bonds, which means I only have these 4 two-part bonds of 6 that I need to focus on remembering. Next week, you can repeat this using 7 as a whole. Before you write on your activity board, if it's an original, please remember to place it inside a write and wipe sleeve so as you can reuse it.